Welcome back, and in this class we are going to discuss and learn about the system, astrological systems. We are having two systems, tropical and sidereal. The tropical is a modern one, and sidereal is the most ancient that all civilization on earth used to calculate with. Is also called Vedic Astrology, that is remaining as for now for the Indian culture that respecting the sidereal point of view. The tropical astrology, from my perspective, is like an observation on the entire solar system from an external approach, external view. I would call it from the galaxy center, and understanding what is happening on Earth and as a one with the collective as the galactic change. The sidereal approach is the observation from Earth to sky. That's how civilization used to understand where we are as observing the moon, and everybody can see the full moon, and we are seeing the sunrise and we're seeing the sunset. We can see the rise of Venus and we can see the set of Venus when Venus disappearing. The difference between the system generated a 23 degrees difference. 23 degrees is significant because every sign is sitting on 30 degrees. So we are speaking the 23 degrees is going backward or forward according to each system. Let's take an example. If the sun right now is sitting in 23 degrees of Aries, in the Vedic astrology or sidereal astrology, we are going to be 0 degrees of Aries. But when we are speaking about a slow moving planet like Saturn, for example, Saturn takes between 2.5 to 3 years to finish one zodiac sign. So as I'm recording this video in August 2022, Saturn is in Aquarius from the tropical system. So if Saturn here from 2021 to middle of 2023, and we are here now in 23 degrees, when Saturn is also retrograde, when it moving to 22 degrees from the sidereal point of view is going back to the previous sign. If now is in Aquarius, is going back to Capricorn. And then when it's going back after 23 degrees forward, we have 7 degrees that both systems are agreeing on the interpretation of the same archetype. It's more complicated when we are speaking about more slower signs like planets like Pluto, like Neptune. Pluto is taking 14 years to end one zodiac sign. So 23 degrees until Pluto finishing can take around 10 years. And this is a big difference, but we still can learn artistic way to see the both sides to get the best picture for our guidance. So let's see how is the difference between tropical and sidereal approach when we are opening a chart. For the sake of the example, from my AstroGold app use, I'm going to setting. We are going to chart calculation, and in the zodiac, the first one you see now tropical. The tropical is how we are usually looking at things from the modern way. And if we want to see the sidereal chart, we are going to a new name that I don't know why they chose it. This is the Arabic way. Now it's just the Indian using it. It's not written Vedic. It's called Lahiri. Lahiri. You are clicking on Lahiri as you see it now appears. And all what you see now, it's the same chart but with 23 degrees backward. And right now, my North Node in the Vedic astrology is in Libra, and my Sun sign is in Taurus, meaning that I should be Taurus from the Earth point of view. So we can start having a mishmash of interpreting how we are looked from the Earth point of view and how we are looked from the holistic approach as a divine approach, from a more neutral approach. That's what I wanted to introduce for you in this class, to have the idea of the differentiation between Vedic slash sidereal approach and tropical. In the next class, I'm going to introduce a minor topic about a way of calculation of the natal chart. Is less important, but I just want to bring you this term.